हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वो चैप्टर नंबर 3 एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.4 एंड आवर टॉपिक इज एलिमिनेशन मेथड टू सोल्व ए पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल by this method, elimination method. Earlier we discussed about a substitution method. Now we are on the elimination method. And what is elimination method? In that elimination method, what we will discuss, this is first linear equation in two variable and this is the second linear equation in two variable. We need to check the multiple of x is 1 and the multiple of x is 1 and both are in same in sign. Then what is the second step? We need to subtract them. This plus will change into minus, this minus will change into plus and this plus will change into minus. Then this is plus and this is minus, that is cancel. X and x, that will become 2. Y and y, this will become 2y. 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 by 2. Put that value in equation number first. Put in first. What we will got? X plus 7 by 2 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 7 by 2. 2 is LCM. 20 minus 7, that is 13 divided by 2. That is the value of x. It means which method we need to simplify these questions? We need to solve these questions by the method of elimination method. And according to the elimination method, what is the steps? First of all, we need to check whether the multiple of x in both equations are same or not. Let us see the second question. For example, this is x plus y is equal to 12 and 2x plus y is equal to 22. This is the question. Now we need to check the multiple of x are equal or not equal. Here we see that the multiple of x in the first equation is 1 और दूसरे वाले में कितना है? 2 है. इसका मतलब they are not equal. यहाँ पे हम y के मल्टीपल देख रहे हैं कि वो दोनों के दोनों इक्वल आपस में. ये भी 1 है प्लस का, ये भी किसका है? प्लस का 1. तो इसका मतलब डायरेक्टली वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. या तो आपके पास x के मल्टीपल इक्वल हो या y के इक्वल हो. अगर इक्वल नहीं है तो वी नीड टू मेक देम इक्वल. तो माइनस कीजिएगा, माइनस माइनस माइनस, दिस इज कैंसल. माइनस का 2x है, प्लस का 1x है, तो माइनस का 1x. दिस इज माइनस का 10. माइनस इज कैंसल्ड बाय माइनस. x इज इक्वल टू 10. Put the value of x in first. Put in first. What you will got? 10 plus y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 minus 10, that is equal to 2. Same as it is, we need to go in the next question. Let us see. Suppose कीजिएगा, this is x plus y is equal to 15. Okay. This is 2x plus 2y x plus 3y is equal to 35. That is the first equation and that is the second equation. In these two equations, what is the multiple of first in x is not same. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 3. Then these not x nor y, both are not equal. Then what we need to do? We need to multiply by someone so that it will become equal. यानी पहले वाले इक्वेशन को तो मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूं, इस वाले नंबर से, इस वाले नंबर को इस कंप्लीट इक्वेशन से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं और इस 1 से इस नीचे वाले को मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं. तो यहाँ पे लिखूंगा मैं मल्टीप्लाइंग फर्स्ट बाय 2. 2 ये नंबर है एंड सेकंड बाय 1 ये है. यानी सो दैट कि या तो x के इक्वल हो जाए या y के इक्वल हो जाए. तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो 2x plus 2y is equal to 15 to the 30. It is multiplied by 1, तो ये सेम रह जाएगा 35. Subtract them, minus minus minus, कैंसल. ये तो दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. माइनस का 3 प्लस का 2 तो माइनस का y is equal to माइनस का 5. कैंसल. y is equal to 5, तो put it in the first equation. Put in first. You will go the result. Okay. Next it is If the same questions are in the form of statement based question, you will face the statement based question also. In that question, what you will do? Firstly, you will make the equation, and after that, you will simplify that equation by the method of which method? This is elimination method. Suppose कीजिएगा the difference between the two number is 26. So let it the first number is x and second number is y. First number is x, second number is y. According to condition, first condition, the difference between these two is 26. This will become the first equation. And second condition is that the sum of these two numbers is 39. So x plus y is equal to 39. This is second. What we need to do? We need to go up according to the condition. This is x 1 1. So what we need to do? We need to subtract it. Minus minus minus. This is cancelled. Minus 2y is equal to minus. This is from this need to be subtracted from that. It will become 13. Minus is cancelled by minus. This is 13 by 2. Okay. And after that, we need to put the value of x in equation number 1. Then we will go to the value of first equation also, first x also. That will become the result. Okay. So in that question, in that exercise, what we will do? We will make a pair of linear equation in two variables with the help of these given two statements, and after that we will simplify the questions. Some questions I will discuss you more. The question may be of that type. Suppose the question number 3.4 exercise. Suppose it is mentioned that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduced to 1. Let numerator is equal to x and denominator is equal to y. Fraction क्या बन गया? X upon y. According to condition, what is the condition? If I will subtract 1, if I will add 1 to the numerator, तो numerator में 1 add कर दिया गया. Then what is the effect on the denominator? Subtract 1 from the denominator, then it is reduced to 1. यानी result 1 आ जाता है. तो I need to cross multiply it. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. X और y वाले एक साइड में कर दूंगा और ये उस साइड में चला गया. तो x minus y is equal to minus 2. That will become the first equation. Second condition is that it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. इसका मतलब डिनोमिनेटर में अकेला 1 ऐड करना है, न्यूमरेटर के साथ कुछ नहीं करना है. x 1 is equal to this. Cross multiply. 2x is equal to y plus 1. This will come on that side. This is the second equation. The multiple of y and the multiple of y both are same. Then there is no need to multiply directly. We need to write down them in that form. This is the first. What was the step? I need to subtract minus plus plus because minus will change into plus, minus in plus, plus in minus. So this will become 1x. This is cancelled. Is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Put in first. अगर मैं इसको फर्स्ट में पुट कर देता हूं तो what I will get? 1 minus y is equal to minus 2. तो minus y is equal to minus 2 और this will minus 1. x की वैल्यू यहां से 3 आ गई थी. x is equal to 3 और y is equal to, I will simplify this. This will become y minus y is equal to, this is minus 3, cancel. It means the fraction, what it will become? The fraction result is first condition. What was the first condition? If I will add 1 to the numerator and 1 from the denominator, that it will become x minus y is equal to minus 2, or this is 2x is equal to y plus 1. So this what it will become? 2x minus y is equal to 1. I need to simplify these two and I will go to the result. X is equal to 3 and y I will go and I will put into the given equation. You will go to the result. Okay. Next question. this is same as it is Nori's age. 5 years ago Nori was thrice as old as Sonu. So present age of Nori is equal to x years, or Sonu is y years. What is the condition? 5 years ago, so 5 years ago the age of Nori x minus 5, and this is y minus 5 years. What was the condition? 5 years ago Nori was thrice as old as Sonu, ये था. तो x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. तो x minus में 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. That will become the first condition. And second condition it is 10 year later. Later का मतलब होता है बाद में. तो ये हो जाएगी x plus 10 और y plus 10. So इसका मतलब now the condition is x plus 10 is equal to, she will be twice as much as Sonu. I will simplify that. This will become the second equation. Solve these two equations and you will get the result. Thank you. Have a good day.